today we're here to show you the Facebook fan page creator and marketing software. In this little video, you're going to learn how to find new groups, create them, join groups, add friends, like pages, and be able to post all of them. You'll also be able to find ID numbers of users within Facebook to create a targeted audience for advertising on Facebook. It allows you to upload a list of ID numbers to directly advertise to these individuals based on searches that you run within Facebook. You'll also be able to invite all of your contacts to a specific page of yours as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started here. Underneath main settings, you're going to put in your email and password. This is going to log you into Facebook. Okay. Now, for your Facebook profile URL, all you got to be is just logged in, do this in your regular browser, and just take your URL of your actual profile and put it right there. Choose a number of pages that you want to make if you're creating pages underneath here. Delay in minutes between page creations. Again, this is just specific to if you're creating pages. Otherwise, these top three just need to be filled out for the rest of the software. Your website URL, category, description of your page, and the desired Facebook unique URL. This allows for spin syntax as well. Spin syntax kind of looks like this. Curly bracket, hello, line bar, which is the shift and the button right above your right enter key. Hi, line break, how are you? Close curly bracket. It will randomly choose an item that's inside of the line breaks or curly brackets if it's on the outside edge. So that means it'll randomly choose hi, hello, or how are you. So you can put in multiple page names here to set your URLs. Underneath choose category, choose what type of pages you'll be creating. Proxies, if you choose to use a proxy, click this, it'll let you know the approved formats for proxies. If using socks, they must be formatted this way, and just append the socks for / to the beginning of your proxies. Once you've got these settings set up, then you can go ahead and choose the type of pages that you'd like to create. Say we wanted to create a business page. Just click on business page, put in the name of your company here, and all of this allows for spun syntax as well. Any area for information, not searches, but posts or what have you, all allow for spin syntax in the software. So for creating pages, go ahead and put your company name, choose a category here, then whether or not you want to auto like that page as well, your address, phone, your first wall post, and a little bit about your website or your page. Each one of these is specific to what it requires for that page to be created. So if it was, say, entertainment, put your page name, choose a category from the drop down, wall post, your about, and whether or not you want to like the page. Same thing for any one of these other ones as well. To go further here in the software, if we want to search for people, pages, or groups, click on this second tab and then click on search, join, like, friend. Put in your keywords here of what you'd like to use. Now this is going to be one keyword per line. So when we put this in here, this is actually one line, but it's auto wrapping. Okay, what that means is it will automatically be put all on one line there. Okay, so if our next one here was just stock market and then market analysis. Okay, so you get the idea. It's one keyword or phrase per line for your search term. Whether or not you're looking for friends only and you want to pick a specific region, go ahead and do that here, and you can go ahead and set, say, Detroit, Michigan. Then choose what you're going to do. Whether you want to join groups, like pages, or add friends, go ahead and choose accordingly. And as you click on these, it automatically sets the other ones to no, so you can't kind of goof it up. Max before delay. This means the maximum number of pages you'll like, groups you'll join, or friends you'll add before it delays. We recommend anywhere between 10 to 25. If it's a brand new account, stay towards the low end. If it's a seasoned account that you've been using quite often, you can go more towards the 25. Once you've set this setting, you'll want to set the delay. Now what the delay will do for you is after it's made that many for your recommended before delay, it will wait this amount of time in minutes. So we're going to say wait 5 minutes before it does it again. Be it that we chose to join groups, we just go to run this software now and just run it here. What this is doing right now, it shows about blank. It's checking to see whether or not you're logged into Facebook, and then it's going to reload the browser back in here, navigate, and we see that it goes right to the search results. It's going to go over to pages, there we go, or groups rather, and then it's going to automatically page down the page. And the reason for this is to load more groups into the page. Okay, once it's done doing this, it will automatically attempt to join these groups as well. It will automatically join by clicking the join button within this page. It would do similar for pages. It will automatically like them, and underneath people, it would attempt to auto friend them as well. For posting to groups, click on post to groups, or you could choose post to pages or post to friends. Click on it, make sure you set this drop down to yes, and put in your message here, how many messages to send or post before delay, your delay in minutes, an additional delay for the page to load in seconds. If you're having trouble with pages fully coming up, you can increase this or decrease it as you'd like. Just by placing in, say, 10 will give you an extra 10 seconds for the page to load. This also helps in the delay functionality between each one as well. These settings all apply for post to pages, post to friends, or post to groups. In the next tab, we've got scrape profile URLs. Again, with this one, it's going to be 1 keyword per line, and then we can go ahead and add as many as we'd like. Choose a save to file ending in .txt. This file does not have to already exist. You're just choosing the path to where the file will end up being saved. You could choose to add additional filters or grab the ID numbers as well. So be it that we've got our information in here. Let me choose a file to save to. And I'll just go here and just say test.txt. There we go. So it's test-5.txt. I want to add additional filters and grab the ID numbers. So I'll run it. It's going to verify that we're logged in. If not, log us in. Then it'll perform the search here. There we go. Does the search. There we are. And then it pops up telling us, because we add additional filters, it tells us to change these filters over here on the right hand side, then hit run again after the results have been filtered. So I click OK. I click on see more filters. I can use any of these filters I want. Okay, so say I choose living, live near. I can put whatever I want there. Let's say I go with Baltimore, Maryland. There we go, it refreshes this. All I got to do now is just hit run, and it's going to begin looping down the page, and it's going to grab profile URLs as well as ID numbers. Okay, so that's all you got to do here. Underneath the friend or message list of Facebook users, here you're going to choose whether or not you want to message users or friend users. Okay. Then you're going to choose a list of profile URLs, which you would have gotten from the Scrape Profile URLs tab. Choose the number before delay, the delay in minutes between each batch, and the message if applicable, if you're sending messages or not. And it will go ahead and perform this on that entire list of URLs that you enter. IDs from groups or pages. Save ID numbers ending in .txt to file, so you choose your file location. And then all you have to do is navigate to the page or group you wish to get IDs from. You may hit the manual save button on the left anytime you'd like to save results to file. It will save them automatically as it searches for IDs. Stop the bot anytime you'd like. So if I go back to facebook.com here, And I'm going to go to, let's see here, see what pages we got. Let's just search for one. Go here, find all pages. Here's one. So if we go here, and it's got quite a few people listed on the page. Now all I got to do is literally just hit run. Okay. Well, it wants me to renavigate. I should have hit run first. So we go here, find pages, go to the page, hit run again. It's going to continue looping down the page. We see it's already found 622 user ID numbers and growing. And all you got to do is just click manual save, or on each loop down the page it'll automatically save to your .txt file that you choose here. This would then allow you to take this and use a targeted audience in Facebook for advertising. This is huge. Directly advertise to those people that are interested in this page or group that you go to automatically. Takes the guessing work out of advertising to those that you're actually wanting to get in front of. So we've got this invite to page feature now. What you would like to do: export list of your pages or invite to your page URL. Okay, what this means is if you choose to export a list of your pages, what it's going to do is go here, go more. These are our pages, okay, because we see the little gearbox. If I chose to export the pages to a .txt file in the location I choose, it would export these URLs to a file. Okay, all I got to do here is just grab the actual page URL, place it right inside here, and invite to my page URL. Max before delay, it auto loads at 20, 5-minute intervals, delay in seconds between each one, anywhere between 3 to 10 seconds, and just hit run, and it will automatically first check to see if you're logged into Facebook. Then it'll go back to your page here from the URL that you entered, and it will then begin to start processing the invites to your page. So we see here it's loaded the page. Give it a second here. There we go. And what it starts doing is looping down, and it will click each one of these invites, and it just keeps going down. Because as we see here, has all these invites. As you invite one, it automatically loads more in there. So it automatically just keeps inviting all of your friends to your page. It doesn't get any easier than that, folks. Quickly and easily advertise your pages to all your friends without having to spend a dime. Find the user ID numbers of those individuals interested in pages or groups at the click of a button. As we see here, we found like almost 1,200 of them in a matter of just mere seconds. Now you can take that and use it as a targeted audience in Facebook ads with a low CPC and get conversions like crazy. Friend or message a list of users by profile URLs. Scrape those profile URLs that you need for that tab. Search for pages, people, or groups, and then be able to post to those groups, pages, or friends that you've liked, joined, or friended. Or you can create pages within Facebook at the click of a button and create numerous pages. You don't have to create just one in here. You can create multiples. Should you need to contact us, click on the Intro tab, scroll down, and you'll see our email address right there in case you need to contact us for anything. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you.